Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this low-rise condo. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to create this. So we have 2 bedroom, 2 washroom, and we have a storage and walk-in closet. And in this video, we're going to continue working on this. So I'm just going to CS this, create similar. I just want to add more details on this plan. So something like this and the other one as well. So now that's done. We could actually add in another detail, and this one is for, so let's change this to medium line, and we're just going to add the washer and dryer. You can add in a text, so let's add in washer so this one is too big, so we could edit type and then text size. We could change this to 1, apply, and then OK. And then after that, we could just copy this and double click to edit. So now we have our washer and dryer. And we could actually close this up. So this one's supposed to be around 1400 from the grid line. So I'm gonna select the exterior wall and create similar. And I'm gonna add a wall right here, like that. This one, we could move this all the way here. And then here, I just want to double check. So I'm gonna move this temporary dimension, and I just want to change it to this line. So here I want to do 1400, and then let's close this. So I want to align this on this wall. So this is still an interior wall. And let's trim this, TR. And then after that, let's move this back here. So this line will be aligned, or this wall will be aligned on this. And now we could trim this out as well. TR, and then the TR as well here. So now you'll be able to add a door here. So let's add in the door. And then here, this will be, once we create the floor, you'll be able to see the line for the balcony. Now let's insert more furniture. So go back and go to furniture and then seating, and let's add in this ones. So once it's loaded, you'll be able to get it from the component. And the only problem we have is looking for it. And let's go and insert more furniture. Let's add in some tables. Let's add this coffee table and then a nightstand. So coffee table, dining table, nightstand, so rectangle table, it's actually on this side, and then let's insert a chair for this. So furniture, seating, and we could add this one. Okay, and then now let's add in the one for the kitchen. So I'm gonna insert again, and let's go to casework, and then let's show countertop. I'm gonna load this L shape, and then let's load more. Top island. This one's too big. So instead, Let's try and load this one. So I load this one and then I'm gonna edit the family. So by editing, you just need to double click, and then now I'm planning to remove this and load it back. So I'm gonna override it. So I'm gonna edit this again, load back, and this one's still appearing for some reason. So instead, I'm just gonna edit this one. So I'm gonna rotate first, and then I'm gonna make the dimension of my countertop. Hmm. There we go. So here I'm just gonna add in some details. I'm gonna use a rectangle. So we have our island. I'm gonna add a fridge here. And then let's mirror this. Select both and then mirror again. And it's looking good. We just need some bars tool. So go to insert again and load family. Okay. Let's add in more detail. So this one will be pantry, and then there's going to be cupboards at the top. So detail line, then demolish. So as you can see, it represents the cupboard at the top. And then we have storage. I'm just double checking if we're missing something. We're missing a door here. So this one, I find it too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it like that. And then now let's add in the door. And then I forgot to add in the end table or the nightstand. We can add it right now. And let's move this like that. And then let's add it again. And also we forgot this. Coffee table. We could do is we could rotate this. So I believe there's more room. We could add in a TV here. So we have the TV, and then Let's insert some lights. So lamp, that's okay. Change the elevation, so around 630, and put it there. So it's looking good. So now let's tag the room. Washroom. And then what we have to do is a room separator. So I'm gonna separate this one. I'm gonna separate this as well, just so that I could name it. So this one will be kitchen, dining area. Washer and dryer. This one will be the walk-in closet. So we can put w.i.ci. So everything is marked correctly. So with this one, we are going to mirror this onto all the four sides. And then for the middle, we're gonna create another 2 bedroom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a model line here in the middle so that once we do a mirror, we'll be able to select the midline. Or might as well add a detail line instead. So I'm gonna do a detail line instead. I'm just gonna erase this. And then this detail line, I'm gonna add in something like that. So let's do it. So I'm gonna select everything and then mirror it. And then we just need to trim this. And make sure everything is selected and everything is there. So with this, let's create the one in the middle. So I'm gonna select the interior wall and then CS. And with this one, I'm just gonna add a wall right like that. Again, same wall. And with this one, we're gonna extend it all the way in there and this one as well. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out and then select this and then create similar. This will be the balcony for this, and we need to align this. So before that, AL align to this face, and then after that, pull this down. We will need to split this. Once you split, you can TR or trim and extend. And then now we have our balcony. So for now, this is random, but later on we're gonna move it a little bit. So I'm just gauging the space that we have right now. So my plan is to have the master's bedroom here and then another bedroom here with the washroom and the storage here, ensuite and walk-in closet. So now let's add in the interior wall. So this one should be around 3100. So it needs to be here. And that's good enough. This one should be below the center line on this grid line. And then for the bat, we need to add this. So now that everything is right here, we can now use or utilize create similar faster. So I'm just adding here. You can actually pull this up and make room. It's because I'm finding that there's a lot of room for the storage. So we could do it like this. I'm just copying this. So now we just need to keep on copying. So I'm just selecting this and then CS. It's a lot faster than looking it up. So this one, CS as well. Add it here. And then this one as well, CS. Even for the doors, you can do it. So CS. Let's add in a door here. A door here as well. For the kitchen, let's try and copy this. So copy, Then let's add it here for now, and then let's mirror this after. And then after that, we just need to move it. And it's perfect there. And now we could just erase. Even for this, let's just copy. And I believe we could rotate it this way. Oh, it will be much better for the layout. And also for the master. So we're gonna stop for now, and we're gonna continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.